Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Now, today's video is going to be recorded on two qualities. One is my iPhone, which is the intro right here, and second of all is the camera that we were using, or I was using for the majority of the video. So I'm only doing this only because I don't have a phone case yet, and I don't have a stand holder for my phone to go up on the desk area. So once I get that, I'll be able to film normally. But for today's video, I thought I would do how to do a mixed media background with acrylic paint. I've been dabbling into acrylic paint and mixed media and all that. So if you're interested in that, if you came from the iPhone video I did yesterday, which was on Saturday, continue watching the video channel because I will be filming on my iPhone when I get my case and my phone stand. So stay tuned. I'm sorry for shaking this. Stay tuned for that. And so for today's video, I'm going to be doing acrylic background from Xmedia. So that's today's video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That was a terrible angle. I'm still trying to get used to holding my phone like this without dropping it. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and let's get on with today's video. And I need to get better at filming like this, or have a tripod or something, because I keep like dipping down a little bit at some weird angle. But yeah, hopefully this quality is better, and let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and let's get on with today's video. Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Now, today's video is slightly different. I keep saying that on my channel, but we're going to play around with mixed media, and we're just going to have some fun with paint today. I'm going to be showing you, and I was going to do 3 backgrounds, but I think we're only going to stick to 1 background in mixed media. How to do those mixed media backgrounds, kind of like my own version. And before I say anything, I'm probably be asking, why don't you film me on the iPhone? Why aren't you using the iPhone? Yes, I won't be using it. However, I need to get a case, and I need to get a phone holder to put my iPhone so it won't drop. Cause that's the last thing I want. On my tripod stand I have going on. So it's going to take some time until we get those things in order to work and get the better quality up for my videos. So, I mean, in the video when we record on the iPhone, we won't have all this. We won't have the shadow. We won't have the light glare over here or over here, somewhere like right there. We won't have the shadow of the cord like over here, this area. Well, that's my paint bowl, but we won't have the shadow under the paint bowl. We won't have the shadow of the sketchbook. Like, it could be a whole new ballgame, guys. So, if you're new to my channel, if this is the first video you're seeing of mine, subscribe down below. The video will be in better quality, overall, and everything, as you saw in yesterday's video of the iPhone Pro Max 12. I did an Apple speed paint, for that. So, let me get on to the point of today's video. Today's video will show you how to do mixed media backgrounds. I don't know how many because it does take a while to dry, even though I am using acrylic paint. This is the acrylic paint I am using by Master Touch. There's that. And I'm also using these acrylics here by Master Touch. Master Touch is a great brand, I think, for beginners with neon acrylic paint tubes. And I will show you some examples of my mixed media. And the reason I like to do mixed media, not that I need a reason, I just love it. Like, to get messy, to have fun with art, backgrounds, still pages. And here's some recent background ideas. Now, these pieces are not completed. Here's one I had done a few days ago. I don't know if you guys can see that a few days ago. I did a video playing your sketchbook. Here's another, not really a good example, but sketches nonetheless. Here's one I'm really proud of, except the face is not showing through, but that's okay because I think I was going for more abstract here a little bit. So, and I need to finish this page spread, but to add words later. There's one. Here's the finished spread that I'm very proud of. I'll show you the background here, and I had a lot of fun with this. And then I just taped in the girl I drew. Here I want to, I don't know why I'm so nervous, guys, because I'm dealing with pain, and yeah, it can be overwhelming. But this is just a background piece I did of just black crayons, watercolor black crayons. I was going to do circle background, but I didn't feel like filling in the rest. I've been wanting to do this video for a while now, so I'm really excited to show you this background I have in mind. Let me talk about real quick. The intro of the video is going to be with my iPhone, and then the rest will be this video. This camera I'm using, so it's going to be a mixture of different cameras and this video, so bear with me until we transition into the new iPhone. We're going to be using this camera, and I hope you understand. I'm still going to be using the iPhone, just take some time. So, before further ado, I've already blobbed on for like 4 minutes now. I'm probably tired of watching this already, but let's go ahead and get some messy. Oh, I wanted to show you one more thing. It's a complete finished art gel spread. Of course, I had to do it of unicorns of these bright colors. I don't know if this camera's doing it justice or whatnot. Hopefully, with the auto filter on my editing software, we'll be able to take these bright colors. So it's that today I'll be a unicorn and the beliefs. So I love this spread. I'm hoping to. I'm thinking of covering this up with the paint, but I think we're going to save it because I don't want every page to be perfect. So further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started with the tutorial. I'm going to be using, I know you're supposed to use bigger brushes for backgrounds, but here's my paint already made. You can use water to dilute it. If you have any questions by any means, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer them, and I hope you guys have a great day. Get your paint on, and let's go ahead and get started.
Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Now, today's video is slightly different. I know the shadows are not that good in today's video, and I'm kind of being a bit harsh on myself because I know that these videos can be a better quality now, since I do have the iPhone, and I won't stress that enough that I will, once I get the case and the phone holder for the camera and for the iPhone, things will get a lot better. This is just filming on the other camera for now, so I thought I would go ahead and do the intro with the iPhone so that you guys can go ahead and see the quality of the video. Right now I'm using purple and just trying to go in. I know I'm not doing 100% on making it smooth or anything, but that's the beauty of mixed media. You can have fun, you can just plot down paint and do whatever you please. Now, mixed media occasionally is in layers, and that's how you get the texture background with using texture brushes, and you can just do so much with it. It's just the basics of mixed media background. This is just how I do it, and it might be, like I said, it might be making a mess in my sketchbook, but that's what mixed media is all about, messy, and I know sometimes you can get caught up making pretty art and making finite art, but just get out your sketchbook, paint in it, go wild in it, and just have fun, experiment. I'm in the experimental stage of my art right now. And I realized of that from coming out of art block and trying to figure things out what I want to do with my art now. And Skillshare has been helping a lot with that and contacting the teachers and asking them questions, and they respond back to you. This is not a sponsored video by any means, but I've been learning a lot from Skillshare, and that is an amazing platform that teachers are available to help you. And just, leave a comment or question on their class, and they'll be able to help you. Now, how are backgrounds, and for that, thinking of paint, I'm using acrylic paint, not watercolor. Watercolor is one of my main mediums I like to work with. You can do this with watercolor, just light wash with water, and it will blend the colors. Now I'm doing a terrible job of blending colors in acrylic, because I don't know how to do that yet, and I know you laid out similar colors with it, so if you guys have any tips or tricks for me as well, because I love learning, and I love criticism, and criticism is one of the things that could be iffy, like it's terrible or whatever, but they're there to help you. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this, get a little snippet out of it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye, guys.